Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to transfer files from iPhone to an Android phone just like AirDrop using a free method that works instantly. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, in the first step, you need to download the Snapdrop application, or you can also the Snapdrop's official website. For that, you can either open Safari on your iPhone, or you can also open the same application or the same website in your Android phone. As you can see, currently I'm in my iPhone. So over here, if I search for Snapdrop, you can see the name of the website is snapdrop.net. So once you are here on the website of Snapdrop, all you need to do is you need to simply connect both of these devices. As you can see on Snapdrop, it is asking you to upload any folder or any file. So it is not going to ask you any login credentials. It will work automatically, and it will automatically show each of the devices with the names like iPhone or Galaxy. The only thing that you need to make sure of is that both of the devices, your iPhone and your Android device, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So here, tap on the option of upload files and folders, and from your iPhone you need to basically upload the file which you want to basically get in your Android device. It can be anything, any media like photo, video, PDF, or anything else. After doing so, the file is going to be taking some time to show up here in your Snapdrop account, and it is going to take some time in uploading basically. So once the uploadation is completed on your end, you need to open the same website on your Android device. Then you will see a pop-up with the permissions of, or asking you to accept the file related information. So you need to tap on the option of download, and the file will be start to download in your Android phone's download folder. You don't even need to sign up there too, and you don't even need to log in into your account. So this way it will be very simple for you to basically airdrop your files from iPhone to your Android phone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. You can also comment if you have any questions in your mind in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.